handsome.
Hi, beautiful.
So,
Let me ask you a question. How you manage video call me with one bag of hat behind you, and none of them hat then look like them belong to you?
sweetheart,
What kind of room this?
my darling, I'm staying with Sandy. So it's our husband hat then.
So you're staying in our husband room?
No, cut it out now. Him just have a room where them have them some of them stuff. So like him hat and him shoes, some of your clothes them and something. Why you so touch? Listen, I never call you for that. I just want you to know so I reach safe. And as I reach a straight in my niece birthday party, our sweet 16 party, my jump. So she looks so gorgeous in her dress. She sweet. Can't believe she's 16.
Well, you never can tell, you know. One day in the future, you might end up at a birthday party for somebody else, but it might not be a niece.
What are you trying to imply?
Well, I imply nothing. I say that's clear as day, but here what my advice to you is.
What is that?
While you're there for it, watch out for lizard.
Cut it out. Quick, you got jokes.
Yeah, man. One night behind the hut. One of them hot there.
Raymond, stop.
So, you get that assignment yet?
No, I know. Maybe tomorrow.
So hold on. Our Roxy wait for to give the assignment. Our White House you go meet the president.
Raymond, you know I can't move until I get the assignment. So when we get it tomorrow, then more know.
By the way, you know you never really tell me the details of this assignment, right? What it's all about?
Raymond, you know I cannot go down that road. Pop said I'm not supposed to disclose anything to anybody.
What do you mean? Anybody? So unless I'm reach now, me gone in the anybody category. Alright. Well, let's see, since I saw it set now, try remember say, well, so what me I do? Remember say, me's not anybody, me's nobody.
Why you must stay so? Did I get the details of your last assignment, sweetie? No.
Hold on there. But Jesus, no. Anyway, you know what? Remember the mother go down that little road there with you. One thing me, Mullins, anytime the details can reveal, that mean I one of the most dangerous assignment. I make a page him, you know. I make him know, sir. It's when they come on to them kind of assignment, yeah. Me no want him call you without me.
Aww. You want to be my shadow? That's so sweet. But you're worried, man. I am going to get some rest. I am tired.
Alright. Well, you have to get your beauty rest and your mysterious assignment come tomorrow. So, make sure say you're prepared well for the weather, and we'll talk tomorrow when you have some more information to give me, and we can look in your face without them at the behind you.
Okay, my love. We talk tomorrow.